So, Perrodin the project specialist just pulled into my favorite store, Menards here in Wausau. Today's project, we're going to mow the lawn at Blue Jay, but first we got to pick up a new battery. So I'm going to go in there, get a battery. I think I've got a rebate coupon here. I can probably get the battery for nothing. So yeah, we're going to start with that right now. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the other videos at Perrodin the project specialist. So I just picked up a battery at Menards. A little bit of a shocker there. I bought one earlier this year when I worked on my dad's Cub Cadet and went through his machine for this spring. It was about $34. Today, month and a half, 2 months later, $54. Unreal. So I had some, rebate coupons and that kind of thing. Brought it down to about $18. Yeah, I mean, people think that landlords make all this money, okay? My interest rate on my Blue Jay property just went from 4.25% to 7.25%. And, things just cost more and more all the time. And part of it is I haven't kept up, is I've tried to provide a quality rental at an affordable price. The only problem with that is I'm at a point where I'm losing money on that unit. So, and I don't have the heart to turn around and bring it into current rental, prices. And I'm still, this coming month now, July 1st, they go through some increases, but the increases that I set for this year are not enough to cover the increase in interest rate and my insurance costs. Just isn't. So, when you talk, and I know there's some bad landlords out there, but a lot of us are just trying to use them as a little bit of an investment and, provide decent housing at a decent price. So anyways, hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to go put that in, mow the lawn, and then I'm headed out to Mom and Dad's to help them with an item. And busy day. We got a lot on the plate here today. Take care. All right, so to change the battery out, that took maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes at the most. Put the new one in, the $54 battery I got from Menards, replacing one of their older ones here. I don't even know what year this one is. It can't be more than 2 years old. I know I've replaced this one before on here. So now we're ready to mow. Then we're headed out to Mom and Dad's, and we got to get that other lawnmower to the guy that bought it the other day today. And my buddy Bill is having a birthday, so I got a birthday card for him. I want to stop over, give that to him too yet today. A lot going on. New battery in this thing, started right up, ran good. Another quick tip when you mow lawn. Last time you saw that I went north-south. This time I went east-west. It gives you kind of a checkered look and a nice striped look on your lawn. So if you can, north-south one time, east-west the next time, gives you a nice look. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the other videos at Perrodin the project specialist. Have a great day. So to kind of conclude my day a little bit, it's about 6 o'clock. I'm just finishing up. You'll notice that there's a push lawnmower that used to be over here. That's gone. There is a rider, an LA 125 that was over here. That is gone. There was the spare backup L110 that I kept for the properties. That's gone. Those have been sold. They're out the door. I just came, after I finished with that, I just came from Mary Smith's, and I helped her with a project. I routed basically a groove in a board so she could put some letters in there for the 4th of July float coming up. So it's been a busy day. A lot done. We were down to Blue Jay earlier today. Dropped off a birthday card for a friend of mine. Talked with my parents for a bit. Just got a lot accomplished today. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hopefully you guys are having a good day too. I have to say mine went pretty good today. Have a great evening, and I'll see you in about 48 hours again, I think. Catch you later. Goodbye.